let's see how easy this is, or hard it is. Okay, that's right. If I remember now, if you hold the bottom of the light, that's how we got it in last year. Do it. Okay, this is not easier. I thought this was going to be easier than last year, but it's not. Hold it like that, maybe that would do it. Oh, come on. See, it's hooking. It's just hooking the wrong way. Okay, there you go. First one hooked. There we go. All right, got that roll up. I'd say it's definitely faster to just use a ladder. What are you doing? Whoa.
Can I help?
Good.
Who farted on me? An accident. Daddy, is he a bad word? This.
No, not right now. I'll need it later when we get to the middle of the house and it's really tall.
You're doing good, Daddy.
Thanks, man. Not in there. Having a rough day today. Making progress. Got the whole side done. How we do these? This is interesting. I'm gonna stand on top of this bush. Carlo. Okay, I almost fell right here. This thing's like wiggling like.
Do you need this?
What is it? No, not right now. Not yet.
Daddy? Hi. How are you gonna put that all the way up there, in the middle of the whole house. Daddy, here you go. And then take it to a bed. Somebody's gonna hide Daddy's bed.
Oh, come on, bro. Yeah, that ain't happening. We gotta use the long ladder. It's too sketchy. I need to shorten the ladder up. Let's do this quick and not move very much because this is sketchy. Can you bring me a box of white lights real fast? I don't know if he's bringing me the lights. I might need to get down. Is there a key on it? Or I mean a lock on it still? I got no keys, so you gotta go get my big set of keys.